This chocolate starts as a bean. But wait until you see the secret ingredient. Chocolate comes from trees. These cocoa beans travel 5,000 miles to get here. Did you know chocolate grows on trees? Count the cocoa pods. We melt chocolate to exactly 88 degrees. Too hot and it turns white. Pause here. What temperature makes perfect chocolate? Every chocolate bar shape tells a story. Hearts, stars, even dinosaurs. Tomorrow we are making chocolate at home with just 3 ingredients. From tiny bean to sweet treat, chocolate is pure science magic. Friday, we are visiting a pizza kitchen to see cheese science.